Hello children, good morning. I think everybody is fine, right? Then before starting the class, let me tell you one thing children. Daily I used to inform you one thing about the CW and HW, okay? Then till today I have completed the warm-up exercise. In that warm-up exercise maybe 25 or 20 questions was there. So I have completed everything in the textbook and also I made you to write in a textbook, okay? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 25 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ PDF ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು CWದೊಳಗೆ ಹವೆವರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೆರಿ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು CWದೊಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ CW ನ್ಯೂ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ after completing this one in the last class I have completed up to their children and also we have started with the page number 29 on that in that page number 29 model question paper was there okay up to 5th I have completed right next today we move on to the work it out okay what it is work it out okay work it work it out page number 30 okay take out your textbook children please as I said you many times while you are watching the videos please sit with the textbook okay first one work it out okay in that first question we are going to watch now children page number 30 write the whatever I am going to teach you now you should copy it in a HW children ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ HWದೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಓಕೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೆಗೆಯುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಐ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೂ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು to send this PDF and everything children just write this one in our HW okay ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀವು HW ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 0 ಇನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ 1,39,072 okay see here children in the first question they have given one number what number they have given here first one 1,39,072 okay in this they told you write the place value of a 0 okay place value of a 0 place value ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 okay just they said here place value it means it is in 100 place then the place value is 0 into 100 ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ okay the place value of 0 is here 0 write down this one children ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿದೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ 100 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 0 100 into 0 0 okay next we move on to the second one in the number 6,78,246 how many lakhs are there see here in the number 6,78,246 is there na in this how many lakhs are there 6 lakhs are there okay 6 lakhs okay next we move on to the third one write the number names of the following numbers see here they have given here numbers children now we will start with the number names I think everybody have written these two let me finish it off why because so many are there so I should write there shall I repeat children in this 1,39,072 what is the place value of a 0 here it's a 0 okay then 6,78,246 is done how many lakhs are there 6 lakhs are there okay next we move on to the third name what it is write the number names a 37,830 Then write the number name. Number name ಬರಬೇಕು. ಏನಿದು? How you are going to read the children? That one only you should write here. 37,835. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is nothing but the number name. Okay. 37,000. In front of write that word EHIRTY. 37,000. 37,830. 830. Write this one children in your HW open ಮಾಡಿ. While you are watching the videos, pause it and write this all. Okay. Second one. Second one, 90,002. B 90,002. Okay. 90,000 here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 90,000. 90,002. Okay. Next, C. 80,808. Okay. This one 80,000. 80,800. 8. Okay. This is a third question, children. I think everybody is understanding. Why? Because it's nothing is there here. How you are going to read this one? You should write like that only. Okay, it's a number name. Okay, that's so that is it. I am not explaining this one much children. Directly I am going to write. Okay. Next, D 2,12,045. Okay, 2,12,045. Okay, 2,12,045. E 7,98,070. 7,98,000. 70. Okay. E is the answer here. 7,98,070. Okay. F 3 lakh 9,200. Okay. See, why I am making you to solve this all the questions paper here only, children. If I am going to give you, do yourself, you may get a wrong answer. So I am making you to solve in the class itself. On the basis of this question paper, I may ask you in the test. Okay. This is the up to your, it's a third main, children. Okay. Next, I think everybody has written. I am going to give you 2 minutes time for you to complete it. Within that time, you should complete it soon. Bardra. Next, we move on to the fourth question. Page number 30. Okay. In each of the following, what is the place value of underlined digit? Okay. See here, children. They have given here 4 numbers. One number red color underline madidare, or they have indicated with a red pen. Okay. We have to say place value. ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ನೌ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Fourth question. What it is? First number is 32,814. Okay, 32,814. Okay, which one they have underlined children? 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, it is in which place children? 10th place. Okay, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ 10th place ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 10 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, which number is there in the 10th place? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. Okay, 10 into 1 is equals to 10. And the place value of this 1 is 10. Okay, first place ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ 10th place. So 1 into 10 is equals to 10. Okay, just I am going to tell you the methods. Okay, if you are perfect you can write it correct directly. Okay, next we move on to the second one. What it is? 90,014. Okay, 90,014. 90,014. In that, see here, it's a 0. Okay, it is in which place children? ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ? 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Okay, right here first 1000. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 0. Okay, 1000 into 0 is 0. The place value of 0 is here 0. Okay, next place value ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 0 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 0, the answer is 0 itself. Okay, it is a property of addition. Okay, identity property. Next we move on to the third one. It's a A, it's a B. Okay, it's a C. C is 1,92,207. Okay, 207. It's a 2. Okay, it is in which place children? 100 place. Right here first place. After that which number is there here? 2 is there. Okay, 2 into 100, 200. It's a place value. Write this one. If you are perfect, no need to write this all the symbols. Write here directly. Okay, next B. 9,27,000. 9,27,654. Okay, see here. In this which number they have marked here last number. Okay, which place it is children? Lakh place. Okay, okay, which number is there? 9 is there. 9 lakh. Okay, next only 4 are there children. Write this one. Then the place value of 1 is 10. The place value of 0 is 0. Okay, then the place value of 2 is 200. Then the place value of 9 is 9 lakh. Okay, I hope everybody have understood this one. Note it in your HW. HW ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ just. Okay, next we move on to the fifth question. What it is? In the number 2,87,000, which digit had the greatest place value? Fifth one. Which is that number children? 2,87,000. Okay, 2,80,000 ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? In the number it's a given number. Okay, in that given number what you have to ask? Which digit has the greatest place value? ಯಾವ digit greatest place value ಇದೆ? Lakh digit. Okay, right here lakh. Okay, Next, what it is? Lakh. It means 2. It's a lakh. Okay. Next we move on to the sixth one. In the number 5,67,340, which digit had the least place value? Okay. See here. In the number 5,67,340 is there, na? Least value ಕಡಿಮೆ value ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Tens ones place ಇದೆ. Okay. Ones is 0. Next. Finished? Next we move on to the seventh question. Seventh question, okay? What it is seventh question? Write in a ascending order, okay? They have given here 7 numbers, okay? We have to see those 7 numbers properly and we have to write those numbers in a ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number, okay? Write those numbers first. A, okay, see here children. It's a given number, okay? 5,656, okay? Then 5,65,656, 5,665, 56,565, okay? First digits ಅನ್ನು count ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 digits ಇದೆ, okay? Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits ಇದೆ, okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 digits, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 digits, okay? Then here 5 digits. Here how many are there children? 5 digits, okay? Here 5 digits, okay? See here they told you to write in a ascending order. Ascending order ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Digits ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 4, okay? 4 4 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5,656, 5,665, okay? Then which one is the small number here children? 5,656, okay? We have to write here first 5,000, okay? After this which one? This is 5,665, okay? Next 5 digits ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 5 digits ಇದೆ, okay? 5 digits ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? This is 5, this is 5, this is 5, okay? ಇವು ಮೂರು 5 ಇದೆ. Then which is the least one here? 55,555, okay? Next after this 5,600, after this 5 6 7 5 6, okay? These 5 digits we have completed children, okay? Next 4 also completed. Then which one is last remaining? Then this one 6 digits ಇದು 5,65,656, 5,65,656, okay? It is in a ascending order, okay? I hope everybody have understood children. Next we move on to the second question, B. Look at B. 234, 5,000, 5674 2347 5679 432 78956 78956. Okay. See, this is a given number. Which one we have to write here? It is a 3 digits. It is 4 digits. Okay. It is also 4 digits. It is also 4 digits. It is 3 digits. It is 6 digits. This one is a 5 digits. Okay. Then we have to write here which number is contains less digits in this one and this one. Okay. Then which one I have to write here first? 234. After that 432. Okay. Next 3 rubber drum. After that which is a little bit greater number children here? 4. Okay. In this 4 which is the less number here? In this you not 4 digits way. 4 digits kadme number is this one. Okay, first we have to write here 2347 2347. After that illinu 56 ಇದೆ, illinu 56 kadme yavude 74. Okay, 5674 5679. Okay, next we move on to the last one, that is fifth one, 78956. After that 78956. Okay. Dear children, if you are very perfect with the reading numbers, you may write very easily. But just I have given you idea. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ. Next we move on to the 8th question, that is on the basis of rounding of matched numbers one has been done. See here, rounding ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದು 5 ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Next, we move on to the 8th question. What is that 8th question, children? On the basis of rounding of matched numbers, one has been done for you. Okay, 8th one. In that first one, what it is? Next, in 8th question, here on the basis of rounding of matched numbers, one has been done for you. Okay, A they have given here 12,437. Okay, next B 23,588. Okay, after that ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 48,000. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 12,440. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1,25,000. 323. Next 23,590. Okay, 5,45,800. Then last one they have given here. It's a first one, second one, okay, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Sixth one they have given here 51,600. What they have given here? 12,440. We have to make it correction children. What we have to make it here? 12,437 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು 12,440 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 23,588 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 23,590 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A is a second one. Okay next B1 here ಏನಿಲ್ಲ children. Actually this is no need to write here, just I am going to write direct answers. Okay ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 12,437. ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು 12,440 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ they have given here 12,440. okay it is a second one. After that second ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is a second one. okay second one ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 23,588. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ 10 ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 23,590 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಇದು 90 ಇದು 4th ನಂಬರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 4 ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ 51,595 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 10 ಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 95 ಗೆ 10 ಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 51,600 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 51 ಓಕೆ 61 ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ A B C. Next D ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ I am going to write the D here only children. D what is it 1,25,000 is there na? Okay ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 10 ಸಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ 1,25,323 ಓಕೆ it is nearer children 1,25,323. 1,25,000 ಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we move on to the E here. E what they are given 47,785 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 10 ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 47,790 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 47,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರ ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವರು 48,000 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ we have to write here first 48,000. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ F ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋದು 47,785 40,800 ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ 7 ಇದನ್ನ 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ F1 5,45,760 5 lakh ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5,45,800. this one is the fifth one. Right like this. It is second, fourth, sixth. This one is third. Okay. Next first one, fifth one. Next we move on to the ninth question children. Look at ninth question. Use the digit. I hope everybody have understood. ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ninth question. Use the digits to make the greatest number possible. Okay they have given here 6 digits. We have to use those 6 digits and write a greatest number. Okay I think I am going to give this one for homework children. Ninth question to it is a ninth question. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು greatest number ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ just I am going to explain how to make. You have to make it this one in a home. Okay next 10th question. Write the expanded form of the following. Okay they have given here one number children 9,65,061. when I am teaching the lesson I told you how to write in a expanded form. Okay I hope everybody have understood these three how to write. Okay next sorry write the short form 2,48,206. okay these two you have to write. In the next class I am going to explain this one children. Okay you have to complete it. Complete page number 30 and 31 questions 9 10 11. okay shall I give you that one as a homework? See here complete Question number, it's a question number 9, 10, 11 in textbook, page number 30 and 31. In textbook also as well as in HW. Why? Because while I am teaching these all in a class, you have written in HW, right? So you have to continue with the HW and also in the textbook. Okay. Let me conclude this class here only, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.